What now? Hi, I'm Debbie. It was Jamaica's worst storm on record. Many Jamaicans still in shock, barely coping, and just beginning to count the cost of Hurricane Melissa. The shocking images of destruction and dislocation speak volumes. Whilst Kingston may have dodged the bullet, nowhere was Melissa's primal power felt more forcefully than in St. Elizabeth, the coastal town of Black River, hardest hit, and now the focus of a long and hard road to recovery.
The signs bleak for Black River and its environs Thursday. Ripped up roads narrowly passable and crisscrossed with twisted power cables. Even the leaves gone in this mangled wasteland.
It's devastated. Bad.
Folks leaving town with what they could salvage.
None at all. Believe me, I tell you, hard 3 years can't come back.
Melissa's impact felt by all, and despair already setting in.
Is that we relocate or we rebuild? And I don't know how we ever, because we have to start from scratch, and trust me, if you have kids to go to school and all of the above, it's really rough for everybody. Everybody. I mean, say, hit one person, if you say, oh, your roof on, everybody roof gone. There's no pointing our fingers if you say, oh, I was good. No, everybody get hit.
This man a mechanic in town. The wind took his roof, but water surging in from the sea, sealing his misery.
Water start push out the lick the wall and bust the wall. Then the 2 vehicles, well, all 3 vehicles start float. It's a taller water. So basically we're on the beach, and trust me, if you look at the beach right now, you couldn't believe say at the same beach that do all of this. Pretty and nice, all a baby can't go swim in it now.
Surprised he could still smile. Them too, given the awful stats.
Maybe 5% of rooftops are still standing. Everybody else is gone. This is a real disaster.
Finally, in Black River itself. Where to start? The mud. The stench, the desolation.
I can just see how the place look better. Eh? I don't even want to give you a conversation right now, dog. Just look on the place.
Imagine the force that did this.
Good afternoon, my name is Tiffany McDonald. I live in Vineyard, my house blow down, I don't live anywhere. People yard me catch me, have a 5-year-old, I need help. Help at Black River, me come and look food.
I'm heartbroken. When I came to Black River on the bridge, I burst out in tears, crying straight to the hospital.
Stories of desperation, but also of resilience.
Eventually the breeze blew my window off, and I said to my grandson, come, let's take the mattress off the divan. And I put the divan on my window, and I take the dresser and I brace it. And when I looked, another window was getting out, and I said, come, let's put the wall rope there. And we put the wall rope there and we brace it. If not, my 2 windows would come out, but thank God I have life today.
Many others just dazed and confused. Some belongings saved. Memory of trauma very much fresh.
I never see hurricane tear up wall, concrete wall. Like when you would look and see what happened in Haiti, it's like Haiti come Jamaica right now. Believe me, if I get the opportunity and hear that another one coming, and I have the opportunity to leave Jamaica, I would leave Jamaica. I wouldn't like experience this anymore.
Food and water in short supply Thursday. Not much of anything getting in. Sourcing sustenance for others not able to make it, the mission of this man.
We're gonna use them there, get us some food and things for youth them and for all people that we can't come out of the district, you know? And for our family them and loved one them. But we need help seeing we can all more things are gonna need because we can't even get them in our community. We have to go walk and try to cut some road and get donkey and them things that we carry up there. So we're gonna need some whole heap of help up in the Haddiston district there. If the road even clean, no vehicle can go up there. Not even tractor. I'm born and grow, I hear people that talk about 51. This and that, Gilbert, everybody, Ivan, everybody. These are the wickedest thing we ever see. Everything, our concrete house blow down.
I see no store, no supermarket, nothing open back in Black River. I get this goods from a police officer who was holding a door and he said like they give him permission to give away this stuff. So he gave me this stuff.
Some encounters bordering on the bizarre.
This storm help the people.
Explain.
The food, look here. Look here. Look at food that I've got. Look here. Look in my hair how much food I've got. When the storm never come, they wouldn't got this and they're so hungry in this country. The people in this country is so hungry. So this storm is so good for the people. Make it mash up the place.
We saw people lugging crates and plastic bags filled with goods.
Out at the supermarket, them man, because I don't know, so supermarket them tear up, so any local food and thing. You understand? We're up on the hunting. I tell you, say place, grind up.
I don't know where super place me go find it, see? We can't find a little ball and see me still a few years because we can do better. I will see from man chips I've been eating.
This shop still in the process of being cleaned out. Perhaps desperation rather than intentional looting. But someone set to pick up the cost.
Looting and, stuff like that. So that's the situation we're in.
St. John's Anglican Church, a landmark. Not much left. This lady from nearby Crawford.
Mr. Green, per liter, we are asking for your help in Crawford. No straw no leave and turn down there. At least you're supposed to see. You're supposed to see. Right? Because we know we Prime Minister fly over our head, but you're supposed to hear. We need you down there. We need you down there. All that body down there.
He hails from Parity.
The sea come in my house and catch me right here. I have to put on my life jacket to save my life. You have house, wall house. The sea take it and gone. Not even the spot you can't even see where it was.
And no time to be sick in Black River.
The hospital, if anyone's sick right now, the hospital cannot help. Black River Hospital, roof gone, everything in disarray.
I came out here to help, but I can't help. I have to go.
And it's time to a port.
This fisherman was out at sea and managed to escape to Honduras before returning with his catch.
So we have them on the boat right now for selling. So who we gonna sell them to in this moment, bro? No dinero. Malo. God, the whole place in disaster.
Cars and trucks tossed around like toys during the hurricane. Not to mention board and zinc homes. Where do these people go now?
We sleep in the bus.
Shelter at a premium in Black River.
Everyone is trying to help themselves at the moment, but still waiting on the major help, Right now it's just about survival, as you can see.
Very body. You see it? From head, me have to carry. We have to jog it. We have to do it. First experience in a Black River. Black River no good again. Black River. Help!
It's the spiritual wickedness cause all of this. Love we say.
If you come to Vineyard, you know it's the neighboring community. It's bad. People lose shops, they lose their houses, they lose everything. It's unbearable, it's devastated. Honestly, I don't know when St. Elizabeth will come back. I don't know, honestly. One year apart, we get 2 Hurricane Beryl and now Melissa. It's just unbearable. It's traumatizing. We don't know when our children will be going back to school. No electricity. It's just unbearable. Mosquito go kill you, so we want to come spray the place, please, and thank you.
During the hurricane, I prayed a lot. I normally pray now, but I pray extra this time. Rooftop flat. Not to mention the farming sector, peanuts, sorrel, pumpkin, corn, everything wash out. We are going to be out of job for a long, long time, and we have young children, and the more help we get, it is better. So whoever can stretch forth their hands and give us a help, we are grateful.
Along with the prayers, frustration bubbling up.
People are suffering, people in the hospital right now can't move, people sick, people dead in their house and no politician. When I vote in time, you see politician already.
It's going to take a long time to build back, but thank God, as I say, to life. That is the greatest. Once you got life, you got everything.
The grit in the face of seeming hopelessness, a big takeaway from the devastation in St. Elizabeth, as the focus now shifts to the long and hard road to recovery.
And when the aid come, me pray and hope they don't play politics with it. Make the aid share equal amongst everybody, because everybody is suffering at this.
But I have confidence in the government because I know they're going to do things through the proper channel.
Can't know about survive, no?